Okay, so example number 5. We have f of x is equal to x minus 9 over x plus 4. Okay, so first step we have to replace y to our f of x is equal to x minus 9 over x plus 4. Okay, then we have to change the position or interchange the position of x and y. So now we have x is equal to y minus 9 over y plus 4. Okay, so using the cross multiplication, we have to multiply our denominator to our x in the other side of the equation. Now we have x times the quantity of y plus 4 is equal to, then we have to cancel the denominator, y minus 9. Then using distributive property of multiplication, we have to multiply x to all terms inside the parenthesis. That is xy plus x times 4 is 4x is equal to y minus 9. Okay? Since our goal is to equate it into 0, or to y rather, we have to transpose all terms with y variable in the left side of the equation, and all of the terms without y variable is at the right side of the equation. Now we have x, y. If we transpose y to the other side, it will become negative y. Is equal to, we have to transpose 4x to the right side of the equation, and it will become negative 4x minus 9. Okay? So how can we equate it in y? So the common monomial is y. So we can factor out y variables. So if we factor out y, that will become x minus 1. Right? So if we factor out y to y, the remaining is 1. Okay? Because y times x is xy and y times negative 1 is y. So it is the same value. Okay? So we have negative 4x. Okay? Or we can factor out the negative sign. Negative 4x plus 9. Right? Because if we distribute negative sign, it will become negative 4x and also negative. So to equate it in y, we have to divide both sides by the factor or x minus 1. So x minus 1. Okay? So we can cancel x minus 1. Y is equal to negative, that is negative 4x plus 9 over x minus 1. And this is the inverse function. So we forget to replace f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to negative 4x plus 9 over x minus 1. So this is the correct inverse of example number 5. Okay? And that's all.